Hey, Boo.
Finish her! Fatality. Flawless victory. Outstanding.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia the Phoenix back with another video. And Matthew 5:14 says, "You are the light of the world, like a city on a hilltop that cannot be hidden." So for today's video, I have some Hello Kitty press-on nails from Shein. Y'all know I love me some Shein. So all you're gonna need is a nail file, some press-on nail glue, some Q-tips, some nail polish remover, and some oil of your choice. So first I'm gonna be starting off with my nail file, and I'm just gonna be filing my nails. Y'all know, ain't nothing new. Ain't nothing crazy going on. I'm always filing these nails down to press on these nails. If you have not seen one of my press on nail videos before, I will be leaving a link at the top, at the right. Okay, and as I'm filing my nails, I stopped for a little bit to just show y'all that after you get done filing your nails, they should look like this. They should look rough. They should look like somebody took them across the cement and dragged. If they are not rough, they're not gonna stick. I'm sorry. So do not be trying to press on these nails with a smooth surface. It needs to be rough. It needs to be rough. It needs to be rough. So use a nail file. This is just a tip. This is the real main key for these press on nails staying on so long. So yeah, that's file your nails. Now I'm going to press on these nails with some press-on nail glue. I will be leaving the link to the press-on nail glue down in the description box. Y'all know, like I always say, I like to start off with my right hand first because I am right-handed. Therefore, I need my right hand to put these nails on to the other hand. So I always put the nails onto my right hand first and then go on from there. Now, I know y'all probably saying, at least you always say this, but y'all, it be so many different people watching these videos. Y'all, not everybody watch these Shein. Dang, I can't talk. Not everybody watch these Shein press-on videos like y'all do. Like, this is probably somebody first time discovering me. So anyway, do what I said. I'm done talking. Okay, class is missed. I'm just kidding. It be so many people up under my dang, wait a minute, what's it called? Instagram, saying, "Alright, girl, don't you get tired of them Shein press on nail videos?" No, because like y'all, like, ooh, I love me some press on nails. Like, I ain't ashamed to say it. Like, look at that Hello Kitty. Okay, girl, calm down. Girl, calm down. Now I'm going to be going in with a Q-tip with some nail polish remover, and I'm just going to be cleaning up around my nails. Y'all know I'll be making a mess. So I highly recommend keeping some Q-tips and some nail polish remover on the side. Now I'm going to be going in with my nail file, and I'm just going to be filing the ends of the nails. I like for the nails to be kind of square shaped because these nails kind of giving a little bit oval, a little bit. Just a little bit. No shade, no tea, Shein. Y'all know I love y'all now. Don't do that. For real though. I like to file the ends of the nails just to make it more sharp and give it more of like a square. I went off camera to wash my hands. Now I'm going to be applying some body oil in the scent strawberry, I believe. And I will be leaving the link down in the description box like always. Okay, so this is after I done recorded the video. And I'm editing, trying to get all the resources together so y'all could go buy the nails for yourselves. You can't because they done took it down. Okay, I guess I don't know if the product done sold out or if they just took it down, but it just says that it's been removed. But they have some other Hello Kitty nails in there, and I'm gonna leave the links to those in there because I want y'all to know these nails because y'all know I love me some nails. Anyway, Alicia, get back to doing these nails. But yeah, y'all, these nails are so cute. I'm loving the black. I'm loving the shape. I'm loving the decoration. The little decoration that it is. I cannot talk today, but you know what? I ain't done no Shein Hello video in a while. And y'all get what y'all get. But yeah, y'all, I give this probably about 8 out of 10. Because these nails are cute, y'all. But yeah, like always, I'll be leaving a link down in the description box. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Hey, folks, it's your granddad trying to call you back. I'm all right. You get
But I didn't shine like you. Nobody shines like you.